It's perfect.
I'm from Belgium.
Where are you from?
Germany.
जर्मनी। नमस्कार। तो हम लोग हैं जो कि यहाँ पर जो आने में चाहते हैं। Is it too cold?
It's perfect.
Perfect. How are you feeling now?
Very cold.
Very cold. You are shivering from cold. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. Is this your first time in India?
Yes. Today on the special day. Yes.
Have you ever seen any pictures, any videos about this place?
No.
No.
No, not before.
ओके तो आप देख रहे हैं पुनः गांव की ओर। आखिर क्यों कहता हूँ इसे न दिखाए कोई और, उसे दिखाता है पुनः गांव की ओर। और आज मैं आपको फिर लेकर आया हूँ देवप्रयाग संगम तट की ओर। श्रद्धालु यहाँ पे आज स्नान कर रहे हैं मकर संक्रांति के पावन पर्व पर। और श्रद्धालु यहाँ देश से ही नहीं बल्कि विदेशों से यहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग हैं जिसका महत्व नहीं समझते।
Big part of my life, I'm working with the elements. So the sun and the moon is very important, and knowing that the two rivers that come together are the sun and the moon stands for that union. You could say for that idea of yoga to become united again. My message to your government, I think India has a very important role to play for the world on how to connect again with the true essence of being. A very special place, a very sacred place, and I'm very grateful that I'm here on this day. Beautiful story.
Such like Olga River in Russia.
Yeah,
You might have heard the story.
yeah, it's nice.
It's our very holy river. At first, you are welcome in Devbhoomi Uttarakhand at Devprayag in Sangam.
Thank you.
May I know where are you from?
I'm from Belgium.
This place?
No.
No. Belgium.
Yes.
Is this your first time in India?
No, it's not my first time in India.
Have you ever been this place?
I never went to this place, and it was already long time due to come here.
You were just dreaming to come here,
Yeah.
but today you are lucky to come here.
Today I'm very lucky to be here.
Okay, may I know you one little question? Who has influenced you to visit this place?
It came along through to people I met, friends in India, and also to find the source of existence. I was always a seeker, and finding the source where the Ganga starts, where it comes together, is really a very special place, a very sacred place, and I'm very grateful that I'm here on this day.
I was seeing you when you were taking bath in river. You are feeling very happy. The way you are taking bath, such like you are teached by someone. Have you taken any guidance from anybody that how to take bath in river? Because the way you are praying at first.
The way I pray is not you could say a religious way, but is a universal way. It's really connecting with the place, with the energy, with the spirit of the place. And to connect is really to get in the moment, to get in the here and now, and really feel not about thinking about anything, but really being in the moment. So really connect with the place without any thoughts in the mind.
What is your message to our police, to our government about these facilities?
My message to your government, I think India has a very important role to play for the world on how to connect again with the true essence of being, not only in the doing but also in the being. So on a deeper spiritual level, it's about reconnecting with our true nature so that we can connect to ourselves but also to each other. And I think that's also a part of my purpose to be here, to bring people to India and to let them feel and experience really what it is to reconnect with your true nature, with your true essence.
Are you alone here or you are with a group?
Yes, I'm with a group. I'm already traveling with groups a long time, but I decided in 2024 that I wanted to come to India with people to let them experience what it is to connect on another level. And India does something to you. For Western people, they often say you love it or you hate it, but India takes you into your own dualities. So India, what it does, it's really letting you experience and feel from out of the duality to connect in the unity again.
Okay, man. How old are you, my friend?
How old I am?
How old are you?
I'm 52 years old.
I'm lucky to meet you here because you are really a spiritual man. What do you know about this place, or I should tell you something? If you know,
I know already a big part of my life I'm working with the elements. So the sun and the moon is very important, and knowing that the two rivers that come together are the sun and the moon stands for that union. You could say for that idea of yoga to become united again.
Have you seen the moon cave and sun cave just down the stairs?
I saw it from the outside, but I didn't went in. I feel like I need to come back to get in again and bring some other people. Everything goes gradually. So this is my promise to the Ganga and to myself to come again and to visit then the caves inside.
Do you know that there are two rivers are flowing here? My left side is Ma Alaknanda. On the right, Ma Bhagirathi. If we explain you as per our language, this side is daughter-in-law and that side is mother-in-law. Daughter-in-law is very quiet, but this side, if you see, if I'm able to explain you, that side is Ma Bhagirathi, like mother-in-law, like sometimes anger, strong.
Wrong, yes.
So she is quiet to give respect to mother-in-law, and in that viewpoint where the people are taking bath, that is called Swarna Kund. Swarna means golden, Kund means, I think, I'm not getting exact word, but you can say pond. That side. When Ma Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meets here, it becomes Sangam. Sangam means where two rivers are going to meet. Then after that it becomes Ma Ganga river.
Ma Ganga River.
Holy river. Such, yes.
Beautiful story.
Such like Olga river in Russia.
Yeah.
You might have heard the story.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's our very holy river. If you take water from this river and keep for years and years, there are no insects. That is why it is called holy river.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know, you knew about this or you don't know?
I didn't knew the story that you were telling me, so thank you
Really?
very much for the story.
Now, did you feel to come back again?
I'm really, I'm convinced that I will be here again.
You can give me your WhatsApp number.
Yeah.
I will send all these photos
Okay.
and videos to you when you are taking bath in the river.
Okay.
Thank you
I will
very
do
much.
it.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
ये हम लोग हैं जो कि यहाँ पर जो आने में चाहते हैं. Is it too cold?
It's perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you.
How are you feeling now?
Very cold.
Very cold. You are shivering from cold. Where are you from?
Germany. We are
Germany. Is this your first time in India?
yes,
How did you come here?
with our guide today on the special day.
Have you ever seen any pictures, any videos about this place?
No,
No.
no, not before.
Okay. Please enjoy. I will send you a photo and videos to you. You can give me your WhatsApp number. Okay, then I'm going to take an interview of you people.
We?
Are you not understanding?
Yeah, we understand you.
Are you going to take bath again?
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 Is it necessary?
Once again? Not yes necessary.
Why?
I will tell later.
Okay.
It is good for your health, good for your mind.
We can give you the interview again, but not in the Ganges.
Okay.
Why not?
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany.
Yes,
Is this your first time in India?
yes, it's my first time.
When you were taking bath in Ganga River, how you were feeling?
It was a really healthy dive in. It was very special for me because I enjoy the energy of the river. It's so healthy, and it was really a very nice feeling for me.
Okay, who
Yeah.
has influenced you to come here?
It was our guide. We are here with 6 people from Germany and Belgium, and he asked us if we want to go to this place today at the special day, and we want to do this, and we were all in the water.
Did you feel to come back again in India?
Yes, for
At
sure.
the same place.
Yes, for sure. I love it.
Thank you very much for giving me your time. Are you from same country?
Yes, I am also from Germany.
Germany.
I am
What-
Lexi.
Okay. What is your experience after taking bath in this holy river?
Yes. It is a very special feeling, and we are so honored to do this today.
Who told you to come here? What I mean to say, how you are influenced to come this place?
Yes, I would be asked from my friend Agnes if I would like to come to India, and I say yes, and now I'm here.
Thank you very much to give me your time. Now you can see this video on this channel. You can take a photo of this channel, or you can give me your phone number, WhatsApp number. I will send it to you. Is it
Okay.
possible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Just a second.
Yeah, do you use Facebook, YouTube,
Facebook, yes.
both things?
Instagram, everything.
Yes.
God.
Thank you.
वेलकम ओके कैन यू लीव योर नंबर विद मी। तो चलिए आज का ये वीडियो, आज का ये संदेश कैसा लगे आपको। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप इस वीडियो को देखें, समझें और अगली बार मौका मिले तो आप भी आए देवप्रयाग और इस पुण्य का आप लाभ लें। लेकिन मैं आपसे एक विशेष अनुरोध भी करना चाहूँगा कि जब जब आप आएँ ऐसी पवित्र स्थानों पर या गंदगी न छोड़ें। बार बार जैसा कि मैं कहता हूँ, जब आप दुकान से कोई सामान लेते हैं, बैलेंस देकर अपनी जेब में डालते हैं, उसी प्रकार से आप कोई बिस्किट, चिप्स या नमकीन खाते हैं तो आप उस पैकेट को अपनी जेब में रख के घर जाएं ताकि यहाँ जो है गंदगी ना हो। चले अंत में आज मैं कहना चाहूँगा, यहाँ पर चाहे पुलिस की व्यवस्था हो, चाहे सफाई थी, आज मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगा, बेहतर लगा पहले से। आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत। और आप बड़े भाग्यशाली कि आपको जो है ऐसे स्थान पे सेवा देने का मौका मिला है। तो जय हिंद मेरी ओर से भी आप सभी को। फिर मिलेंगे। जय हिंद, जय हिंद। तो चलिए, मेरे आज बड़े सौभाग्य के दिन है। आज मेरा जन्म दिवस भी है और अब मैं 53 साल पूरे कर चुका हूँ और 54 में प्रवेश कर चुका हूँ। आप लोगों ने सुबह से बहुत बधाइयाँ दी, आप सभी का भी धन्यवाद। भगवान आपको खुश रखे। अगली बार आपको जब मौका मिले आप भी जो है स्नान के लिए देवप्रयाग संगम पर जरूर आएँ। कहते हैं 14 बार प्रयाग में नहाने का फल और 1 बार देवप्रयाग में नहाने का फल बिल्कुल इक्वल, यानी कि बराबर है। तो अब देर किस बात की, अगली बार आप भी आइएगा। एक रात की नींद खराब होगी लेकिन कई रातें आपकी, कई दिन आपके सुधर जाएंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का। बने रहें, देखते रहें, सब्सक्राइब करें, फॉलो करें। पुनः गाँव की ओर